guys, welcome back to another video on Diamond Cat 18. I've been saving up 100. I've been saving up a lot, and so I really want to buy the rainbow unicorn. But first, let's see what we can buy. Okay, so we have a lot of things. So motorcycle, I can afford that. Navi convertible. Oh, I don't have enough. But it's just if I haven't. Okay, I'm gonna buy that. Oh my god, I'm gonna buy everything I can. Blocks pin, motorcycle, and Bloxer. Red fidget spinner, blue fidget spinner, yay. Okay guys, that might be enough. Oh my god. Guys. I'm on a unicorn. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. There we go. I'm gonna get in her rainbow car. Wait. I will. Oh, guys. Oh my gosh. If I lost this stuff that I paid so much for. Yes, I would be your friend. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna put my rainbow unicorn, Slurpee, dish, this, and this up and in there so that it looks like that I have barely anything, so. Woo! Party in the elevator. Okay, sorry. Well, I'm just gonna go to the little house. Okay, for now, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye! Love you all so much, and thank you for 5 subscribers!